Hey everybody, welcome back. So I'm on lunch, I'm about to go back into class, but I'm way behind on these. Well, I'm not behind on my videos, but we're into perming now, and I kind of want to do like a day by day vlog. And so I want to try and just go through like the roller sets that we done. I do have my notes here. I done posted a video on the classic style. So I want to go back through the roller sets and just do like a quick video. And I will post pictures of this at the end of it. And I will label what video is for what. Got my hair done today too. One of the other students, the senior class is doing our hair because they need live clients for the rubrics. So I did come in with my hair on top of my head because our teacher wants us to have our hair up. So that, I'll explain that later as to why she wants our hair up. But, so the first roller set we done was the classic. This one is a wide Italian front. And then you bricklay the back. I like the bricklay roller sets. Because with the bricklay roller sets, they don't have to be in a line. You just stagger them like a puzzle piece. So, you will part your hair. And then you'll have, well, you don't really part this. My bad, y'all. It's been a long week. That's why I want to try and get these videos out, because I want to do a daily thing, because yesterday was really bad for me. I broke down. So I'll post that in another video, or at the end of this one. That way y'all are kind of back up to speed. So with the Italian front, you'll just take and measure out your hair. And it goes like, you always want to, where it's even, like you want to use the nose. You always want to use the nose as your starting point. You want to be in the middle of your nose. So you'll have two rollers on top that you roll back. And then you'll have one on each side of the front rolled down. And everything else is bricklay. Bricklay is the easiest thing to do. So I will post pictures after this part. Okay, so I will post pictures of the wide Italian front with the bricklay. So then I'll post them pictures. And then I'm going to talk about the narrow. The next one is the narrow Italian front and the bricklay in the back. So with the Italian front, you'll do your rollers in the middle, like I said, like make them even through your nose. You always use the nose to like even it out. So then you'll take 3 rollers in the middle, like right here, and you'll roll them back, and then you'll roll 1 roller on each side, and you'll roll them forward. Gives it a little more volume and stuff when you roll it forward. And then behind the one that you roll forward, you will go behind it and you'll roll 2 rollers, or you would do 2 rollers after that one, but you will roll them down instead of up. So I will post pictures of that now, and then we'll move on to the next one. So the next roller set we done was a pivot top with transition, and then the back of it is bricklay. So you will measure out your section of hair. You will roll 1 roller to the left and roll sideways. So you can go either way, and then you can, regardless of whichever way you go, you just roll them down. And you'll have 5 rolled down the side. And you'll roll them the same way. So you'll roll them all to the left. And then you'll take one roller behind those 5, but you'll go in the middle. Use your nose. Make sure it's even on both sides. So center the rod, and you will roll it down. And then you will take a short roller on the first one that you rolled on top to the left. You will roll it down. You'll roll one small roller forward and then roll one down behind the smaller one. And then the rest you will brick lay. So I will post pictures of my mannequins after this. And so for the last one, pretty sure it's the last one. Yeah, for the last one we done on our roller sets, you will do a pivot top without transition. And then of course the back is brick lay. So the front row will look kind of like a horseshoe. You will angle them towards your nose, like you'll angle them out towards your nose and go out. I struggled with this one a little bit because we wasn't used to rolling like that, so I did get it. And then you just want to use your regular size rollers. So after you get your little horseshoe looking design going on, you will just move into brick lay. So I will post pictures of mine after this. I will post pictures of mine, and then my next video I will be talking about, I guess I need to go to the parting because I haven't made my parting video. And then I will go into the perm. I'll go into the perm and stuff because we are on our second perm set. We done a classic perm yesterday, and then today we're doing the spiral perm. So I will post my pictures of each roller set in between these videos. And if you like these videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up.